And there is an appeal for assistance among leptospirosis victims in Olongapo City. This with the number of affected persons rising further. Noel Perfecto with the details.
Olongapo City Mayor Roland Paulino calls on kind-hearted individuals and those who are able to help with the medicines against the dreaded disease leptospirosis not to prolong the delivery of aid needed for the patients affected by the said disease. There are currently 227 patients admitted in the Gordon Hospital. 8 were already discharged while 179 are under OPD status.
It was really an outbreak. Maganda na nga lang nung malaman nila talaga na there was an outbreak, lahat ng nilagnat na nawala at nilagnat uli, nagpuntahan dito para sigurado lang ma-check. And we really found out that it was leptospirosis.
Sa ngayon, Mayor, ano hong pangangailangan ninyo na dapat hong maitulong ng pamahalaan?
Well, actually naman po, dumating naman po si Secretary Ona at nagdala po ng mga dicloxacillin. Pagkatapos nagbigay ng mga IV. Sa ngayon ang mga kailangan namin yung mga pang-advanced stage na, yung pong mga pang-dialysis.
This morning, PTV4 News team witnessed an unidentified person released from the hospital due to pain brought by the leptospirosis. Recorded deaths caused by disease have reached 10. According to Dr. Luigi Lipomano, vital organs of the victims were the first ones to be hit and affected by the disease. That is why it is important that they're given antibiotics.
So yung peak ho nila dumating nung Wednesday. Last night po medyo nabawasan na po tayo. Hopefully we're praying na sana wala na po sana dumating pang mga...
Lahat ng mga patients na to, leptospirosis.
Lahat po to talagang nabiktima po talaga sila ng leptospirosis po, sir.
Patients already occupying the 3 floors of the Gordon Hospital all are under various stages of leptospirosis. Many of them are recovering. 80% of them are males.
Nilagnat ako ng 4 na araw sa bahay. Hindi na ako makabangon, hindi na ako. Yung pala, pagdating dito, na-dialysis ako. Yung kinain na ng yung ano ko, yung sinira na yung kidney ko, sinira na nung...
Nung binaha po kami, sinisalba ko po yung pamilya ko dahil hanggang leg na po yung tubig. So, nung buong maghapon po na yun, babad na babad po ako sa tubig. Hindi ko po napansin, may sugat ako sa paa. Kaya po, yung mga pang-4 na araw, yung todo lagnat ko, masakit na po itong ganito ko, yung tiyan, yung ulo ko.
Wala, tumatama na.
Po.
Ito po, naninilaw pa hanggang ngayon, hindi pa nagbabago yung ano niya.
Hindi ba siya nilalapatan pa ng gamot?
Linapatan na po, kaya lang nanilaw pa.
So, ano sabi ng doktor?
Sabi, idadialysis na naman daw. Kagabi dinadialysis, ngayon dadialysis na naman daw ngayon.
Congressman Jeffrey Kong-hoon of the 1st District of Zambales felt the leptospirosis outbreak that happened in the city of Olongapo.
Last night, sabi nila darating daw yung galing ng Nueva Ecija. Pero hindi ko alam kung dumating kagabi, alas 11 o'clock. Siguro itong umaga na to, palagay ko dumating yan. Yung kailangan sa pag-dialysis.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.